from beyond North America. We've actually had applicants from South Korea this year. So truly it has taken on international flavor. The first prize is a $5,000 scholarship from Nissan in North America. It's being awarded to Alex Ananin for a life harness. And just speaking on behalf of the judges, we believe that this one truly addressed every factor that we look for, with all due respect to all the other judges and all the other applicants, in terms of safety needs, in terms of creativity and vision and research, and first and foremost design. And like I said, I encourage you to look at all of them. The first place award is presented, again, from Nissan USA, will be presented by Beth Keith. And the $5,000 scholarship is awarded to our first place winner, Alex Ananin.
On behalf of Nissan, we're very proud of Alex and all the students here today. This is the 4th year that we have sponsored the Grand Prize, and I really do think, I know you said it earlier, but this is one of the best years of the entries. I was really impressed. Nissan's top priority is safety. We have safety programs and safety technologies, but our biggest commitment is supporting young, brilliant minds like Alex, and we're very impressed. So, congratulations.
Thank you. My name is Alex Ananin. I'm a junior in industrial design at the University of Bridgeport. I'm very excited to be here as a part of the World Traffic Safety Symposium. The theme for this year was the senior driver. My research into this area found that while senior drivers have slightly higher accident rate, which is comparable to teen drivers, they suffer an injury and fatality rate that is many magnitudes higher due to their weakening bodies. The inspiration to my safety concept, the life harness, came from my own experience in car accidents, during which I have broken my ribs multiple times. These experiences really got me thinking on how I can improve the standard seatbelt design to prevent injury. During my design process, I conducted extensive research to determine the best solution for my concept. After many nights, I came up with my final solution, the life harness. Life harness has 3 advantages over the standard seatbelt. First advantage is the 4-point seatbelt, which helps protect occupants more efficiently during a rollover collision. As you can see displayed in the model, during a rollover collision, a standard seatbelt only goes across one shoulder. My design takes it one step further and secures the other shoulder in case you roll over. The second advantage is the air pad, which is also displayed on the model. The air pad, which inflates during an accident to widen the contact area between the seatbelt and the body, causing less injury. This is a particular advantage for senior occupants and younger occupants beyond the age of child seats. And the third advantage is the locking mechanism, which adjusts up and down, allowing different body types to be both more safe and comfortable. For example, a pregnant female could adjust the harness to a higher position above her abdomen, making it much safer for the unborn child while still protecting the mother during an accident. In line with the principles of universal design, while my solution provides distinct advantages for the senior occupants, it also provides advantages for occupants of all ages. And finally, I would like to thank the University of Bridgeport, my professor, Robert Rayner, and Nissan for sponsoring my scholarship, and the Greater NY Automobile Dealers Association for sponsoring the World Traffic Safety Symposium, and everyone else who attended here today. Thank you.